Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a must-have for your kitchen, the Tomorotec small triangle roll-up dish drying rack.
If you're looking to maximize your sink space efficiently, this might just be the best sink corner drying rack out there. Stick around as we explore its features, durability, and why it could be the perfect addition to your kitchen setup.
Let's kick things off with a closer look at the design.
This triangular rack is crafted from sturdy stainless steel, coated with food-safe silicone, making it both rust-resistant and durable. Its small size, measuring 16.1 inches in diameter, is specifically designed to snugly fit into your kitchen sink corner, making it a space-saving marvel. What can you do with it?
Well, it's more than just a drying rack. You can use it as a handy surface for drying dishes, a small cutting board for quick food prep, or even as a heat-resistant trivet for hot pans straight from the oven. Its foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use, keeping your kitchen clutter-free. Now, let's talk about its build quality. The Tomorotec rack features reinforced stainless steel tubes that are securely held in place by the silicone edges, ensuring it won't bend or warp even under heavy loads. This makes it a reliable companion for your daily kitchen chores. What are users saying? Well, the reviews speak for themselves. People love its sturdiness, easy cleaning process, and how it fits perfectly into smaller kitchen spaces. Whether you're washing dishes or prepping ingredients, this rack offers convenience and peace of mind. Wrapping up, the Tomorotec small triangle roll-up dish drying rack isn't just practical, it's a game-changer for those tight kitchen corners. With its versatile design, durable build, and positive user feedback, it's clear why this is among the best sink corner drying racks available today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!